headed up to Asheville today in the Model X. Got to do some other errands. So I thought I would try the Model X here on the Asheville Supercharger. And I noticed that one of the charge stands was out of order. The other day when I came in from Pigeon Forge, where I drove there directly, messed around, charged for 10 miles of range on the level 2, I drove all the way back and I had stopped at the Asheville Supercharger. I noticed on the map here that one of the Supercharger stalls was out of order. I might have had a brain fart. So anyway, while I'm up there today, I'm going up there with Richard. He needs to do some stuff. It's a nasty day to be out, but nevertheless, we're going to go up there, hook it up, and make sure this is charging on the Supercharger. I had a funniness go on with the wall connector at the Titanic. Wouldn't charge, but it would certainly charge the Model 3. So we're going to check today. It's going to be a short video, but I said that I'd check it, so today is the day. One of the very cool features amongst many is the ability to raise the suspension on a dirt road like this. So what you do is you go over here and you click high. Currently it's set to auto. We're going to click high, and it will always raise at this location. And if you watch, the car is actually coming up to high. Very high is 8.9 inches, but it's okay. It allows us to clear any rocks or bumps here in the Model X. It's still raining. We're just about at the Asheville Supercharger. We're going to try plugging in, and I have a feeling it'll probably work fine considering one of the charge stands was kaput, and my luck may have been that I plugged into that one. So we'll see here in a minute. $64 question here. We'll see. We got blue flashing, that's good. And come on, green. Oh yeah, come on, baby. There it is. Yeah, I think the one on the end there, 4B, is probably kaput. Let's take a look and confirm inside here. We'll go to charge screen. And yes, no problem at all. Okay, so color me dumb. The 4B on the very end there was the one out of order. And when I showed up and there was a pile of other Teslas here, that certainly makes sense. Okay, well, we're done with this test. I will let it charge for a few minutes, but I think we're done and we're gonna go mess around. All right, well, we got some good news. They've got the additional 4 charge stands. Now these are not 150 kilowatts, they're 250s. So that'll be great. This is only a 6 stall. Make that 8 stall, so with an additional, they'll have 12 now. It's starting to rain. I had to do the test on the Supercharger, and where I live, it's a long ways away. However, I did it, and the Model X charged fine. My problem was last time I hooked up to a charging stand that has been deactivated due to the construction adding 4 new charging stands at the Asheville Supercharger. So there should have been a sign there, it'd been nice, but apparently I didn't see it or it wasn't there. So the Model X is just fine. I'm just closing this loop now that I said I would check it. I did, and we're good. If you like this video, I realize it was super short, but click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss any videos going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.